Changing your signature, a step-by-step guide.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about an important, yet often overlooked topic: how to change your signature on legal documents and bank accounts. Changing your signature can be a tricky process, but with our step-by-step guide, you'll find it a breeze. Let's get started.
Why would you need to change your signature?
Before diving into the how, let's address the why. You might need to change your signature due to various reasons, such as a change in marital status, adopting your spouse's name, the need for a more legible signature, or simply to reduce the risk of forgery. Remember, signature is a key part of your identity. Treat any changes with the gravity they deserve.
How to develop a new signature?
The first step in changing your signature is, of course, deciding on a new one. You can take inspiration from fonts you like, famous signatures, or create something completely unique. Ensure it is something you can reproduce consistently. Practice it until you are comfortable.
How to change your signature on legal documents?
Here's where it gets a bit more technical. After you've practiced your new signature, you need to start incorporating it into your legal documents. For most countries, there is no specific process to change your signature. You simply start signing with your new signature. However, it's advisable to notify relevant parties of this change. If you have ongoing contracts or documents that frequently come into use, consider having them re-executed with your new signature.
How to change your signature in your bank?
Changing your signature in your bank involves a formal process. Here are the steps. 1. Visit your bank branch in person. Most banks require this to verify your identity. 2. Fill out a signature change request form. This form usually requires your old and new signatures. 3. Provide identification. This can be your ID card, passport, or any other government-issued identification. 4. Verify your old signature. This is usually done by signing a piece of paper in front of a bank official. Please note, different banks may have slightly different procedures. Always check with your bank's customer service before proceeding. And that's it. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to change your signature on legal documents and bank accounts. Remember, it's essential to be consistent with your new signature and to notify relevant parties of this change. Your signature is a vital part of